Situation awareness, making sense of context. It is surprising how many times smart people and organizations fail to understand the importance of contextual environment when applying their ideas and theories. Most often the rule than the exception is that if it worked over there, it surely must work over here. Similarly, if it worked for us before, the same approach will work for us now. What is missing in such flawed logic is the need to be aware of our situation or contextual environment. What is situation awareness? Situational awareness is a sensitive understanding and appreciation of the contextual situation you find yourself. It is about a conscious awareness of what is acceptable here and what is not condoned. It is about how success is defined in this place as opposed to how it may have been defined in the same place in the past. Or how our definition of success is compared to others outside our organization. It is also about being aware of the history of where you are now. What is happening now at this point in time? What are the relations between the place you are working in and other work teams, inside, outside, and so on? Example 1, you have just been informed that you will be transferred to a new work team for development next month. To build up an awareness of your new environment, do some homework in advance. Find out about the culture of the work team, the routines, what gets rewarded, what gets punished, what are their plans and aspirations, and who are the new team members and the boss. All these efforts will allow you to better adapt to your new surroundings. Example 2, quote from Sun Tzu, The Art of War. Knowing the battle day and knowing the battleground, one can go 1,000 miles and do battle. Not knowing the battle day and not knowing the battleground, the front cannot help the rear cannot help the front, the left cannot help the right, and the right cannot help the left. How much more so when the far is several tens of miles and the near is several miles away. Example 3, you've been asked to prepare a speech to kindergarten students for their speech day 2 months ago. 2 weeks before the big day, you have just been informed that the audience capacity will be 500 plus in totally with all the parents present. This will change the entire level and dynamics of your speech. Why is it important? Similar to military strategy, you must know the battleground before, during and after, and what surrounds it in time and space. Knowing a lot about content knowledge without an understanding of the context defeats the whole purpose of smooth application. Much of our learning is situated, it is context-specific, as in situated learning or contextual learning. Context is everything, and the awareness of the situation can make all the difference to your success in work and play. Exercise. How to practice and apply it? Think about a work assignment or project you are about to start. Before you start applying the content you have learned in a training course or from your university education, look into the contextual environment in which you will enter. What are your key observations?